poetry festivals are essential?
Essential word is not very appropriate, but they are very useful. Useful in the sense that they give you this opportunity of interacting with the very well known, the best of the poets. Like I have this opportunity of meeting with brilliant poets here, and this is it. This interaction is very intellectually stimulating, and it definitely contributes a lot in your own growth. It enriches you.
Yes.
So, in this way, and moreover, you meet different people, you meet audience. When you read your poem and it touches somebody, and that person contacts you, talks to you, you feel good, and you listen to others. So, it is a very brilliant opportunity, good opportunity of this stimulating interaction.
Okay. So, do you conceive a poem or does poetry happens to you?
Do you conceive a poem or does poetry happen to you? This question is also a bit intriguing, because poetry is something that is not deliberately conceived. It always happens, and it is so difficult to clinically analyze when did it happen, why did it happen, how did it happen. It happens, but then after you have written the poem, after the idea has been germinated, then the role of craftsmanship comes in, and then you arrange the lines, then you change a word here and there, and you may work on syntax or you may not work on syntax. The first draft is the final draft sometimes, but sometimes it needs a little work. So it happens, but this happening, though it seems very accidental and sudden, it is not so. You have to be on. Your radar should be on, and it should be able to catch what is there, which can be turned into a kind of poem. So it is like that.
Okay. So, what motivates you to write?
The motivation for writing actually comes from within. Your observations, the life that you have lived, the life of others, the things that you read, the things that you have come across, the experiences, all these come together, and that motivates you if you have that thing within you. It doesn't motivate everybody. Only a few persons are motivated by this urge of expressing these things, and they are writers.
Of course. So, how do you feel about Chair Poetry Evening Festival? Any messages?
Messages for Chair Poetry Festival?
The organizers, how you like it?
It's a brilliant job done by them, brilliantly conceived, beautifully executed, and it has been such an enriching experience for me that I am very grateful to the organizers that they have made me a part of this, and I look forward to come here again and again.
Definitely.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, sir. It was lovely talking.